नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर पिनाक्षी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शलाक्य तंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फेरेंजाइटिस। तो फेरेंजाइटिस को समझने के लिए आपको इमेज समझ लीजिए कि इस इमेज में आपको दिखाई दे रहा है सोर थ्रोट, यानी जो फेरिंग्स है वो इसमें आपको इन्फ्लेम दिखाई दे रहा है। तो inflammation of the pharynx or the pharyngeal wall characterized by pain over pharynx is called a sore throat or pharyngitis. The pharynx has three parts. The upper part is called nasopharynx, middle one oropharynx, and lower one the laryngopharynx. The pharyngitis can be classified into two types: acute form and the chronic form. Acute pharyngitis is very common and occurs due to varied etiological factors like viral, bacterial, fungal, and others. The viral causes are more common. The most common cause is acute streptococcal pharyngitis. The causes of acute pharyngitis can be viral, bacterial, fungal, or miscellaneous. In the viral, there is rhinovirus, influenza, parainfluenza, measles and chickenpox, coccidiovirus, herpes simplex, infectious mononucleosis, cytomegalovirus. In bacterial, there is streptococcus, diphtheria, gonococcus. In fungal, there is candida albicans, chlamydia trachomatis. In miscellaneous, there is toxoplasmosis. Clinical features: the pharyngitis occurs in different grades of severity. The mild infections cause a discomfort in the throat, malaise, and low grade fever. Pharynx is congested, but there is no lymphadenopathy. In case of moderate and severe infection, there is pain in throat, dysphagia, headache, malaise, and high fever. The pharynx shows a erythema, exudate, and enlargement of tonsils and lymphoid follicles on the posterior pharyngeal wall. In case of very severe pharyngitis, there is edema of soft palate and uvula with enlargement of cervical nodes. The viral infections causing the pharyngitis are herpesingina, which is caused by the group A coccidiovirus, mostly affects children. Clinical features are fever, sore throat, and vesicular eruption on the soft palate and pillars. The infectious mononucleosis is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. It affects the older children and young adults. Clinical features are fever, sore throat, and exudative pharyngitis, lymphadenopathy, splenomegaly, and hepatitis. The cytomegalovirus affects the immunosuppressed transplant patients. The pharyngoconjunctival fever is caused by the adenovirus, and the clinical features are fever, sore throat, conjunctivitis, pain in abdomen, mimicking appendicitis. Acute lymphonodular pharyngitis is caused by coccidiovirus. Clinical features are fever, malaise, and sore throat. White, yellow, solid nodules appear on the posterior pharyngeal wall. The measles and chickenpox also causes the pharyngitis. In measles, Koplik spot present. Diagnosis: culture or throat swab is helpful in diagnosis of bacterial pharyngitis. It can detect 90% of group A streptococci. Treatment are general measures like bed rest, plenty of fluids, warm saline gargles, analgesics. Local discomfort in the throat in severe cases can be relieved by lignocaine viscous before meals to facilitate swallowing. Specific treatment are streptococcal pharyngitis treated with penicillin G, benzathine penicillin G in penicillin sensitive individuals, erythromycin. The chronic pharyngitis, it is a chronic inflammatory condition of the pharynx. It is characterized by hypertrophy of mucosa, seromucinous gland, subepithelial lymphoid follicles, and muscular cord of the pharynx. Chronic pharyngitis is of two types: chronic cataratal pharyngitis, chronic hypertrophic pharyngitis. Etiology or persistent infection in the neighborhood, chronic rhinitis, sinusitis, and tonsillitis. Dental sepsis causes hypertrophy of the lateral pharyngeal bands and recurrent sore throat. Second one is mouth breathing due to obstruction in the nose, obstruction in the nasopharynx, and protruding teeth. The third one is the chronic irritants, which cause due to the excessive smoking, chewing of tobacco, and pain. And it causes heavy drinking, highly spices food, environmental pollution, smoky industry environment or irritant industrial fumes. Fifth one is faulty voice production. The symptoms are severity of symptoms varies from person to person. Discomfort or pain in the throat, notice in the morning. Foreign body sensation in throat, tiredness of voice, cough. Signs are chronic atrial pharyngitis, in which there is congestion of posterior pharyngeal wall with engorgement of vessels. Facial pillars may be thickened, increased mucus secretion. Second is chronic hypertrophic granular pharyngitis. The pharyngeal wall appears thick and edematous with congested mucosa and dilated vessels. Posterior pharyngeal wall may be studded with reddish nodules. Lateral pharyngeal bands become hypertrophied. Uvula may be elongated and appear edematous. The treatment is voice rest and speech therapy is essential for those with faulty voice production. Warm saline gargles, Mandel's paint applied to pharyngeal mucosa, cautery of lymphoid granules. Thank you so much. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with the digital session. And if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you so much.